when you buy from these people, don't go for bargain, okay?
Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mabudo Malu. So right now I'm in Inyambani, and Inyambani I saw one of art sculpture like which they do from the woods, and it's quite famous in Mozambique. Like across the Mozambique, you have seen in my last tofu video also there was something art sculpture. So this is known as, what is it known as? Skelekedani. Okay, it's known as Skelekedani in Portuguese, and I thought like, okay, I have come here, I'll show you the place, and it's in Inyambani. I'll just start from there. Okay, I'll just go there, I'll show you what all things needs to be done. Let's get started. So fam, this is the place what I was saying. Okay, as you can see, like there's a lot of sculptures which is curved. Okay, it's like a mom giving food to the child, and there's like other art culture over here. So before starting all this, like let's get to the owner of this place. Okay, so they have lot of sculptures, lot of things. We'll get into details. Before that, we'll just start with the owner. Like he's the one, so I'll just talk to him. Olá, boa tarde.
Boa tarde.
Yeah. Como te chama?
Eu chamo-me Agostinho Francisco Nxongo.
Okay?
Agostinho Francisco Nxongo.
Okay, Agostino Francisco Nxongo is his name, but I'll call him Agostino because it's tough for me to remember the name. Ok, tem quantos anos trabalhar aqui, vender isso?
A vender aqui já tem mais de 15 anos.
15 anos?
Sim, sim.
So he's selling this from more than 15 years right now, and 15 years is not small time, okay? It's like long time. And como te chama isso, nome? Like, so
Isso aqui é Skelekedana.
Skelekedana. So it's sculptures is not known as Skelekedana. I was wrong. It's the work. This work is known as Skelekedana, or it's in the local language over here. It's Skelekedana. Okay. Possible mostrar tudo isso?
Como?
Mostrar isso possible?
Sim.
Tu sabe nome?
Nome? Yeah.
Okay. So he knows the name of this artwork, and he'll be showing like each product wise, like each item or art wise. Okay. He'll be showing like that. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start from here. There'll be some Portuguese. I'm not good in Portuguese, as you people know. Okay, let's start from here. Agostino, qual é o nome isso? Like,
Chama-se Colário.
Samoshe Colario. As you see, like all those things what's over here, like that's the major thing that I wear in my hand. It's my name, it's the Mozambican thing, and it's my channel name that I wear in my hand. The same artwork, as you can see this. Okay, I'll just remove this. This is not artwork, that's for my hair. But this is the main thing, like these things, okay. And this is the work over here. They have different thing, like for the neck they have, and isso para aqui? Por aqui?
Por aqui.
Okay, so
é para por aqui mesmo.
okay, so
Isso aqui, como isso aqui é para por aqui.
okay. Quanto que é isso?
Isso aqui está certo.
100. So this is like 100 Medicash for this. Like it's made from the woods, and it's got elastic, rubber band, all those things. Okay. And they have lot of collections, like a lot of different collections they have, as you can see over here. And this is the Mozambican artwork. There's a lot of things are there. Same way, like they have woods, which is made from this. Okay. There with there's a lot of things over here. Like as you can see, you can select whatever you want. And Diposh, qual é o nome isso?
Isso aqui é uma perna. Foi feito pelo Skelekedana, é uma perna. Yeah, é perna.
Okay. I think I didn't understand much, but as you can see over here, and Diposh, isso tudo?
Isso aqui é uma mão.
Mao. See,
Mao.
Mao is like hand. It's the hand-shaped one. You can use it for the decorations, all those things. And
Isso aqui é um peixe.
Peixe. Peixe is like fish. This is the fish design. As you can see, the color, beautiful work, all those things are like pretty good. Okay, so
Isso aqui é um leopardo.
leopard. Okay. That's the leopard design what they have made. Okay. They have fish, they have plane, and they have something from the coconut. So, qual é o nome isso?
Isso aqui foi feito com coco, são cafulos. Foi
São-
feito pelo
Ok.
coco, mas são cafulos.
Okay. What does it mean?
That was made by that
Coconut.
coconut, yeah.
Okay. So as you can see, like all the things from the coconut, they have some works. They have the works with the wood. As Mozambican woodwork is very famous over here. Skelekedani. They have lot of things. As you can see, I'll just show you something. If you see, it's a basic cutting, okay, but it represents a story over here. You can see the father, the mother, the son. It's showing an entire family. So like that's the best part of the Mozambican artwork. So they have, each artwork has a story, okay. As you have seen over here, this is a fish, okay, this is a fish bone. They have a fish bone artwork over here because these major people are from the sea coast and they are majorly fishermen. So because of that, like they have the fish work. What job they do, they have included in their work. So that's the best part, okay, and that's how the artworks form over here. Most of the people are like fishermen from old, long time, like fishermen, all those things are there. That's why these artworks are there. So it's relating to their story, their life. That's the best part. Okay, okay, sir. Isso.
Isso aqui é esquelequedana, mas é uma senhora que pegou criança.
From criança.
Yeah.
See, as I told you earlier, like look at the artwork. This is the favorite one which I like the most because like in a single wood they have carved, okay, a mom, a child, and look at this. This is most important thing. Like the mom is taking care of the child. So like, do you see the depth of this? That's the best part. The artwork is having depth. It's not just some artwork they are making, some painting they are making, because it's all carved from a single piece of wood and they have bought a whole family over here. Then, mãe com criança. Isso, mãe com criança.
Yeah, que é a mãe e a criança.
Okay. Quanto que é isso?
Como?
Quanto que é isso?
Isso aqui está a 5 paus.
5 pau.
Sim.
5 pau is like 5 mil.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. He told like 5 pau. I didn't understand that, but it's like basically 5 mil, like 5,000. Okay. So as you all know, like my Portuguese is not that great. Okay, let's move on. I have some paintings to show you. Okay, let's move on there. So I'm giving a lot of trouble to Augustine. Okay, okay, sir.
Esta aqui é uma senhora que está a rezar.
Okay. So it's like a lady who's praying. Okay. So prayer is also given a lot of importance in Mozambique. As you can see, they have curved into the artwork. So prayer is also very important, and it's all in a single piece of wood. As you can see, like everything is in a single piece of wood. What they have done, the entire artwork. That's the best part. I don't think like anywhere else in the world like you can see such artwork, such beautiful artwork in a single piece of wood. People will be joining from here, there, different woods, all those things. They will paint together so that it looks good. But here it's a single piece of wood. There's no other thing. There's no attachment or there's no use of some how to say Fevicol or like the gum, glue, all those things. Nothing has been used, and it's beautifully curved. So I found something interesting over here, okay, in the artwork, and I thought to ask him, Augustine, what is this? Augustine, okay, sir.
Isso aqui mostra que são as pessoas que têm coronavírus. Outros estão no hospital a baixar.
Whoa, muito bom. So this is like the person praying, okay, with the mask, okay, with the mask, and it's the hospital beds, and they have written in Portuguese about different things about the corona, all those things. Take care, careful, all those things, and these are the beds, hospital beds that you see over here. And did you see how fast the Mozambique has changed into the culture? Like they have put that into the culture, and they are showing even after 100 years, this will be useful. Like people can see, okay, there was coronavirus in like 2020 and 21, and this they have included in the culture. Like it's already come. I'm like surprised, and I'm seeing like such a good thing. Like very happy. I'm not happy for the corona, but I'm very happy that they included in their artwork. And it's like made of glass, the quality, everything is so good. and you see like they are praying with a mask. I really loved it. So fam, once again, like I'll show you the artworks, different artworks over here. As you can see, lot of artwork, lot of things that they have done. So fam, that's all from Iniambani. I have come to Iniambani and this place is like next in front of Hotel Iniambani. Okay, whenever if you visit to Iniambani or Mozambique, anywhere, like if you can help these people out, okay, because of Corona, a lot of things have happened. Okay, life is not that smooth for these people. If you come here, please visit this place, and this is the artwork that he is having over here. Okay, let's see what Agostino has to tell for us. Okay, Agostino. So, muito obrigado para isso.
Muito obrigado, eu também, pá. Agradecer muito bem.
Obrigado.
Devem fazer os seus trabalhos, os trabalhos.
Okay. Same problem. Like it will be good. Like in the future, it will be good. Okay. Okay, that's all. And guys, if you like this video and if you want more updates and if you want something more from Maputo Mallu, if you want me to do something extra, okay, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So Maputo Mallu signing off. So fam, it's not just about the video. Okay, like I wanted to buy you something for me because like I don't have anything for my neck. I like this thing. I like the lot. So I'll go for this one. ¿Cuánto es eso?
Isso aqui está 150.
150. So I don't normally bargain from these people. Okay, you go to supermarket and you don't bargain, right? So don't bargain with these people. Whatever you get, like just get it. Okay. Okay. Thank you.